The term invasive species can mean different things in different contexts. Correspondent Steve Mort sat down with UCF biologist Dr. Linda Walters to explore this important ecological concept.
Just first of all, tell us, what is an invasive species?
There are a lot of species that get distributed around the globe that are just considered to be non-native. You go from being non-native to invasive once you've had an impact on the new environment that you've entered. You can destroy the habitat and remove some of the species that were there originally. You can have an economic impact on the humans in the area. They also have to be reproducing and become part of the new area.
Why do we care about invasive species?
Invasive species have a huge impact both on our ecology and on our economics. They've documented over 50,000 invasive species in the United States at this point, and the cost to just controlling, not even eradicating, just controlling these species has been estimated to be over $137 billion annually.
So how do these species get here in the first place?
They can be brought in through a number of different mechanisms. They can be brought in intentionally through agriculture or aquaculture. They can be brought in unintentionally through things like ballast water in ship hulls or on the outside of ships. They're called fouling organisms, and they just move with the ship from port to port.
Can some of the problems that are caused by the population, can they be addressed by education?
Some can, some can't. Some will be totally regulations. So in the ballast water field, there is a lot of money and a lot of research going into trying to figure out how to cleanse ballast tanks when they're out at sea. Other things like releasing your aquarium organisms into coastal waters. If people are educated proactively, maybe they won't do it. You need to get people at the right time, usually when they're buying the organisms, and then they'll take care of it from there.
Watch full episodes of SciTech Central Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. on WUCF TV.